what's up guys? Nandito ako ngayon sa aming paaralan. Ngayon po ay maulan at para po kumakabahan mo. Para kagabi na kasi, kaya tayo matulog.
Nagawa mo!
Ayun po, dito yung kasama mong vlogger.
Happy?
Magnificent Jayden.
A few moments later.
Wow, may pag-check-in. Thank you. Patuwat ang rapper. Thank you so much. Oh, ang saya. Oh. Hindi natin bago lang. Thank you so much. I will share a lot of stories soon. Nakita ko po, ang saya. Joke lang. Tuwag man.
Joy.
Ako tulong. Hindi, wait na. Go-wish ba ako kasi seryoso daw sa kanami. Ako tapos mga 26, warn ako na kami dito. Thank you so much. Okay, isipin 1992, doon di mo na matanda eh. Kung katagid man. Tama, 2006.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
Thank you so much. Asa kita ka para mahimalis na ni Ma'am? Sa ano na? Thank you. Bongga, gidasan ka.
Sir, may kaaway, sir!
Wait lang. Ang payo nga, madura duman. Namalay dala ko 200 ang day. Pabalik lagi. Ha? Yan po guys, kakatapos lang isi-surprise yung advisor namin. Birthday niya po kasi.
Nagawa mo!
At ngayon po, dito kami nagtatambay. Ilang klase. Sama ko yung classmate, Jalet and J-Wings. And my only vlogger. What did you say? Oh, English. Hindi ako marunong mag-English. Yan po, kakaselebrate na namin. Masaya naman po, pero nalaman agad na isa-surprise si sir. Ngayon po, hanggang dito lang na nabubulol kasi ako hanggang dito na lang po at mamaya na lang.
Mamaya na lang.
A few inches later.
sakay namin.
Kasi foundation namin ngayon.
42nd Foundation Day na aming paaralan na founded noong 1977. 42 years na ang school na to. At ngayon po ay say boring, umuulan. Wala kami magawa.
At ngayon po ay magsiselebrate kami ngayon ng birthday namin teacher. Si Sir Junior Layaw.
Ayan po, magbabayad daw ng halad.
Kasi mag-uusap na kami mamaya.
Ika lang po, kukuha pa ako ng pera. Ayan po, nakahulog na ako sa ano yan tawag? Saan nalagay yung
Ewan ko.
Kasi may misa may mass. Ewan ko lang kung anong oras. At hinihintay pa namin yung isang brothers namin. Kasi ang oras na, di pa rin dito. Di pa nakakarating. Iya po. Parang irelo ko na. Iya po. Parang galing yung kita. Yan po yung the four brothers. Nag-announce ko si Sir para about sa school uniform namin na complete dapat. Ito po yung Joy Beans, James Smith, at si Joshua. May kulang pa isa, si Joey Dobria. Hinihintay pa po namin. Anong oras na?
One eternity later.
Yan po guys, pababa na muna kami. Dahil maulan, tara, let's go. Alis na tayo.
Hello, I'm Walker 14884.
Walk 14058.
It's so great to be a part of this and it's so exciting.
In the dark of night, the stars light up the sky. We see them flying free. That's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You are not alone, we're family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. You are my symphony. By your side, we have unity. My energy, my guiding light. We are unity. We are unity. We are unity. Although the rain might pour, a thunder starts to roar. The lightning wakes the wave.
Okay lang kayo mga pare.
Yes, pare. Yes.
Everyone is lonely.
Grabe, lakas talaga na.
But I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise.
Mangga dyan yan.
You and I, we're family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality.
Okay, mga bro.
My symphony.
ulan.
By your side,
Grabe.
we are unity. My energy, my guiding light. We are unity.
Why the earth is flooded? What happened?
We are unity.
po guys, maulan. Na-suspend ang klase po. At yung foundation day na-cancel na lang. Dahil bagyo ngayon kasi may typhoon, Falcon na pumasok na sa Philippine Area of Responsibility. Gano'n ito ang weather forecast. Ngayon pa ay pauwi na kami. Ngayon po pinawi na lang kami dahil baka lumakas pa yung ulan. Suspended kasi yung klase namin eh. Kaya uwian na lang. Po marami. Nakaka-boring po talaga. Naputol yung vlog ko. Kaya sa Friday yung day 2. Second day ng vlog ko. Kainis talaga.
Eventually.
But I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise. You were not alone with your family. Hold me, let's escape all this reality. You are my symphony. By your side, we have unity. You are my energy, my guiding light. We are unity. We are unity. We are unity. Although the rain might pour, a thunder starts to roar. The lightning wakes the wave, but through it we are brave. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see.
Ayan po guys, hanggang dito na lang. At good luck sa akin sa second day na aking vlog. At hindi mo muna akong magpapaalam. Sa second vlog na lang pagkatapos. At dyan na lang po. Day 2. Late.
Day 2.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,